Durable outer coverings help shield and protect against tough conditions, vibration, abrasions, and moisture. Wires are color-coded correctly for easy installation. GM recommended replacement part for your GM vehicle's original factory component. Offering the quality, reliability, and durability of GMOE. Manufactured to GMOE specification for fit, form, and function. GM genuine parts tail light harnesses are designed, engineered, and tested to rigorous standards, and are backed by General Motors. These harnesses are organized sets of wires, terminals, and connectors that run throughout your entire vehicle. GM genuine parts are the true OE parts installed during the production of or validated by General Motors for GM vehicles. Some GM genuine parts may have formerly appeared as AC Delco GM Original Equipment, OE. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect. Problem solved. This fit my 2008 GMC Yukon perfectly.